Want to create a stunning PPTs like this? I'll show you how you can do that in very simple steps. Just one click is enough. You can also generate these kind of stunning PPTs by using one powerful tool, that is Gamma. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. So in this video we are going to see how to create a stunning PPTs with just one click, just one single prompt, that to be a simple prompt. Let's see this. Just go to www.gamma.app website. So just your homepage will be like this. Just hit on the create new. So you'll be having like pasting the text option, generate from one single line prompt in few seconds, and next import file or URL. By using these three options you can generate your PPTs. So I'm just clicking this generate because this is the most used one. So a single prompt you can generate a presentation, web page, or document, or any kind of social platform kind of things. And next, how many cards you want in your presentation, you can select from 1 to 10 cards are the free, and from plus or pro versions you will be having 15 cards. Those requirements, just give the whatever you required here. Here the you can see the page style. It is in a traditional form, like length of those things you can decide here. So next, in which language also you can decide, like English or Spanish or Arabic kind of thing you can decide. I'm just giving like, just like give me a presentation on what are the things you require. You can just I'm just giving like a SDL life cycle. I'm just clicking on generate outline. This simple one single click is enough. It just gives the outline first and then creates the complete presentation. You can just see. So this is the outline. So whatever the things were present in the cards, it just first gives the outline, and just you can click on generate, or you can add the any card. Until 10 cards is the free version. You can just add any card, or you can just if you are fine with the given things, you can just hit generate. So that's it. Only just two clicks, your PPT is there for you. So that too a stunning PPT. If you are planning to create a PPT, it will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes, but this is just in a single minute. Even within a second you can generate stunning PPTs, so with all the necessary details. Even if you are manually doing, you might miss out some points, like, but here you can do everything within a simple text. See, you can see here my PPT is prepared, so you can see the slides. So understanding of SDL, and then static planning, requirements, requirement analysis, all the details. Minimum, so maximum it will cover all the details. So it has 8 slides. So finally conclusion part is there. So if you want to add any slide, like thanking slide, anything you can add. So details about order you can also add by taking the new card here. So this is how simple you can create a PPT by using this Gamma. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Let me come up with another website that will help you to make your work easy. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.